Welcome back, folks. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 22, Nasdaq down 21, S&P's down 250, and we have our man, Mr. Chris Gaffney. Chris, folks, is the president of Everbank World Markets. You've heard him many times on TFNN. Now, as you come over to our website at TFNN, you're going to see the Everbank banner on the right-hand side. Hit that banner. As you hit that banner, what you're going to see is that we have a new Commodity Solution CD, a Market Safe Commodity Solution CD. Now, this is really cool. You have 8 separate commodities. Principal is 100% protected. It's a 5-year CD. And, of course, we're in the first day of a 2-day Fed meeting, and we always like to get Chris's view on this and put him on the hot seat. Chris Gaffney, welcome back to TFNN.
Thanks. It's great to be here.
And there's no such thing as a hot seat here, man. But you know what? We're so lucky because we always have you around these days, man. I'm telling you. And, you know, this one, Chris, is like a tough one, right? You know, I mean, what are they going to do, right?
Well, I think there's no doubt that they're going to keep rates where they are. I don't think they have the courage to raise rates at this time. And, you know, that even with the data that looks a little stronger, retail sales was a disappointment. But,
yes.
I think that, you know, they have to keep the market thinking that they're going to continue to raise, though, because, you know, they have to keep that confidence out there.
Yeah, no doubt.
The U.S. economy is strong enough. But, you know, we came out with this commodity solution, and timing looks pretty good. I mean, commodities have looked like they have bottomed and maybe have started moving back up, especially in this first quarter.
Listen, there's no doubt. You know, when I started the Gold Report in 2001, and, you know, we caught the first leg, you know, of that 2001 going to 2006 to 2011 pretty good.
Right.
And this is the, you know, about 4 months ago, you can see these commodities moving, and they move dramatically, too, you know, so... And that would make sense. Timing, I mean, you know, that's been a long time since, you know, 2001 with 2016, do you know what I mean?
Right, and the key to this is it gives investors the opportunity to get into the commodity market, but the key is there's no risk. So the principal's protected. It's really a way for somebody that's you know, wants to benefit from that commodity rally or a possible commodity rally, but don't necessarily want to play in what can be kind of a risky and volatile market in straight commodities. So and it's you know, with 8 different commodities involved, it's really a pretty diverse bunch. So you've got some ag commodities, you have the precious metals, and then, of course, you have the big boy, the crude oil, that's going to move up and down. So, you know, it's not necessarily linked to just one type of commodity either.
Which is great. So inside this basket, folks, okay, so first off, it's a 5-year CD. It takes $1,500 to open it up. Your principal's 100% protected. Now, inside this CD, you can have crude oil, gold, silver, soybeans, corn, sugar, copper, and nickel. You can give them a call at 855-750-4051. Now, Chris, you know what's so cool? We just finished doing the Traders Expo up in New York, right? And this is cool, folks, for all you traders out there, too. When you have extra cash, you don't, you know, and the bank's not giving you anything anyway. I met a couple traders up there at our booth, and it was awesome, man, because they were opening quite a few of these with you. You know what I mean? Because,
sure,
you know, they're traders, but the bottom line is that people want safe money. Traders, you know, we're always at risk, you know.
You gotta have that nest egg somewhere.
You do.
And really, you're not going to earn anything. And you know, we pay a great rate, you know, the yield pledge that we have on our U.S. accounts, but most banks don't pay much at all on the money while it's sitting there. So the opportunity cost, if you will, in investing in something like this is very low right now.
It is. Now, when you hit the banner, folks, you'll come over, you're going to hit the Everbank banner. You're going to see it right on the front page. It's going to say the new financial resource designed to grow with times. What I'd suggest you do, we're going to walk through this term sheet right now, but you can hit the term sheet. And, Chris, can you explain to them how they reprice every year?
Sure. It's a 5-year CD, as you suggest. There are 5 pricing dates. So we're going to take a look at the price of these commodities at the beginning of the CD, and then we're going to compare that beginning price at each of the 5 different pricing dates back. And then we're going to record that percentage return. It's going to be capped on each one at 70%. So we're not going to let it move up more than 70% at any one of the pricing dates. And then at the end of the 5 years, we average out those five different pricing returns and to come up with the return that we're going to pay on the Commodity Solutions CDs. So again, the principal is protected. So if in fact that average return over the 5 years ends up being negative, you're going to get your principal back. And then if it's positive, if it's less than 70%, you'll get that whatever that return is. And if it's over 70%, we're going to cap it at 70%.
That is so cool. And here's the pricing date. So watch how this works, folks. So you have till now, the initial value date. This has to be funded, folks, before April 21st. Okay, so is that correct?
Yeah, actually, the funding deadline is going to be April 14th.
April 14th, okay.
We need to lock in those funds by April 14th, and then we're going to do the initial pricing date on the 21st.
Okay, perfect. So we have to now, so we have 1 month. You have 1 month, but don't hesitate, folks, okay? You have money out there, put it to work. Then the pricing dates, the initial date is April 21st, so every year after that anniversary, that's when it's going to be priced. Now, the thing that's cool, folks, and Chris and I have talked about this before, depending on how long you're listening, what's cool to wrap your head around is that it doesn't mean that these commodities have to go up every year.
Right.
Because you remember the gold and silver one, that was in a down market and actually paid off, because what ended up happening is that in the course of those 5 years, it had a couple good runs.
That's exactly right. That's the key to the averaging, and as you suggest, you know, it kind of smooths it all out for you, and yeah, it pays you sometimes even if the point-to-point one would not have. So yeah, the averaging helps smooth things out for you. And
if you do have an IRA, folks, okay, these are also IRA eligible. So
great point.
Yeah, it's and you know if you listen, folks, if you don't invest in an IRA like this, go Google it and start looking it up, because it is absolutely a self-directed IRA is totally where it's at. You know, because bottom line is that you're deferring taxes in a huge way. You can give EverBank a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. It's $1,500 to open. Your principal's 100% protected, FDIC insured, and IRA eligible. Chris, 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we got action.
It's exciting, and one more thing, we've seen a big increase in platinum sales, and when we ask them where they're coming from, they usually say they're listeners of yours. So
no, and listen, folks, there is no doubt those platinum bars. I said you get the best deal out there. It's not even close. It's amazing, man. Well, listen, thank you so much. You have a great one, safe one, and we look forward to speaking to you again, Chris.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Now, the platinum bars, folks, okay? So platinum is still under gold. You want platinum bars at the right price, folks? Give them a call. It's 855-750-4051. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there. We come right back.